Good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you are, depending on where you're watching from. I'm here to present a video of how I'm going to make my shake. And I'll first use gadgets that make your work so easy in the kitchen. I'll use this to peel the pineapple. So you just put it in the middle of your pineapple like this. And then all what you need to do is just like you twist it around like you're drilling the pineapple. Let's see. Boom. Then all what you need to do is to get this pineapple out of here. It's all right. You can see all my pineapple is here. This is the product, what is left behind, what you don't need. I'll take a clean plate and I'll show you the final how it came out. Okay, I push this one aside. I have a clean plate. And all what I need to do is to remove this. And then overturn this. Here are my pineapples. Look at that. Very nice.